welcome back to my channel. Lately, a lot of you have been asking about my go-to natural summer glow makeup routine and what that looks like. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. But it's going to be focused more on skincare with the added bonus of makeup, because y'all know it starts with the skin, right? So we're going to be bridging skincare and makeup today. And I partnered with Sephora to show you guys the products that I use that work to protect the skin and tackle those skincare concerns while also providing long-lasting full coverage makeup. So you ready? Let's do it. So before I get started, I did want to show you guys some of my skincare concerns. I have some pimples and old acne scars that are thankfully going away. My skin can be quite textured and there's a lot of shine. I get oily around my T-zone and my under eye circles can also look a little crazy sometimes. So we're going to be tackling all of that. Okay, so I've already washed, toned, and prepped my skin. I sprayed a little bit of the Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater. And then I moisturized with the OLEHENRIKSEN Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer, but making sure to not apply any in the eye area so I can go in with my next step, which is eye cream. I'm going to take my OLEHENRIKSEN Banana Bright Eye Cream and put a tiny pea-size amount onto my ring finger, and that should be more than enough for both eyes. It's actually recommended that you use your ring fingers to apply any product at your eye area because the ring fingers are the weakest finger in your entire hand, so it's just going to allow you to be more delicate around that area. So I'm just going to start applying that under the eye area and really letting that penetrate deep into the skin, and also focusing on the areas where I have those fine lines and wrinkles and dark spots. This eye cream is genuinely one of my favorites. It's inspired by banana powder, so there's special pigments in here to reduce the look of dark circles and just really brighten and color correct that under eye area instantly. It's boosted with collagen and vitamin C, so it's going to deeply hydrate the skin to help target those fine lines and wrinkles. And it just makes the concealer application so much easier. So I want to remind you guys of how important it is to use an eye cream daily. The eyes are one of the first areas to show signs of aging, so if you learned anything from this video, I hope you guys decide to add an eye cream to your routine if you haven't already. Alright, so now for primer, I'm taking the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Primer Plus. This primer is oil-free and it's really great at smoothing and minimizing the look of texture on the skin. It refines the look of pores and helps your makeup last all day, even through the hottest weather. It's a very lightweight and can be worn underneath the makeup or by itself as well. Okay, now that my skin is primed, I'm going to go in with the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Cream Oil-Free Matte with SPF 40. This is literally one of my favorite things to use and what I use probably like 90% of the spring and summertime. I love that it's full coverage, it's a color correcting cream, it's oil free, and it has SPF 40 to protect the skin. It has a matte finish so your makeup will last for up to 12 hours, but the best part of this product is the ingredients. It's infused with collagen to support skin's elasticity, peptides to help reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and charcoal to detox the skin and minimize the look of pores. So what you're really getting here is great quality skincare with the added bonus of full coverage makeup. Now I'm going to finish up my routine by setting my face with the Mercier Loose Setting Powder. And then for bronzer and blush, I'm going to go in with two of my favorites, the Benefit Cosmetics COOLA Bronzer and the California Blush. And these are both part of the Cheekleaders Pink Squad Blush, Bronze, and Highlight Palette. But you can also find them individually on Sephora.com. For the glow, which is one of my favorite parts, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby Highlighter and going to highlight all the high points of my face. So above the cheekbones, the temples, Cupid's bow, and a little on the nose. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes for a few seconds and then use my go-to mascara, the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I really love the wand on this one because it grabs every single one of my tiny little lashes. It's so good. Finishing off the eyes with the Sephora Collection Luxe False Lash in Plush. Then adding a little highlight to the inner corner of the eyes and of course the brow bone. I love using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask all throughout the day because it's so long lasting, it's nourishing, and just leaves the lips super plump and soft. Now let's finish it off with the COOLA Makeup Setting Spray SPF 30. This is perfect for the summertime. Because of that SPF, you're going even further to protect your skin. And that's it, guys. This is my easy go-to summertime routine where I know I'm protecting my skin and tackling those skin concerns, but also getting long-lasting, full coverage makeup with a beautiful glow. So So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And press the little bell button next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I post a new video and you're not left behind. And I will see you in the next one. Be blessed.